Okay, we got our head here. We sanded it down. We went in and touched up what we needed to touch up. So what we're going to do is we're going to paint a base paint of white. We're going to be using an acrylic white for our base. And we highlighted the areas here that I needed to be highlighted. So we're going to paint the entire head with this white, let it dry, and then give it a second coat. And then we should be ready to add color. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we'll continue on, get it painted, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.